Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Puppy Health and Nature, nurturing the Pawsome Beginnings. In this heartwarming journey, we will explore the essential aspects of puppy health and the transformative power of nature in their development. Puppies bring immense joy with their boundless energy and eagerness to explore the world. Ensuring their health and well-being during these formative years is crucial for their future. Regular veterinary care is vital in providing puppies with a strong foundation for a healthy life. Vaccination, deworming, and preventive treatments protect them from disease and parasite setting. Nature plays a pivot role in the development of puppies. Spending time outdoors allows them to engage their sense, stimulating their cognitive abilities and promoting healthy physical growth. The sights, sounds, and sense of the natural environment creating a nurturing space for their overall well-being. Water activities provide puppies with an opportunity to exercise and have fun while staying cool. Swimming helps build their muscles, improves cardiovascular health, and offers a low-impact form of exercise that's gentle on their growing joints. Adequate rest is crucial for a puppy's well-being, providing a comfortable and safe space for them to rest and sleep allows their bodies to recharge, supporting healthy growth and development. Nurturing the health and natural development of our puppies is a rewarding journey filled with love and joy. We will explore more deeper into the captivating world of our furry companions, discovering more ways to ensure their well-being. Puppy Health and Nature, Nurturing the Possum, explores the vital aspects of puppy health and the transformative power of nature. In this regular veterinary care, outdoor exploration, water activities, and adequate rest contribute to the well-being and development of our adorable puppies.